Let me take you way back to the first dynasty. Take you way back to Ra and Amun. He had the 10 Commandments on his head. He had the hand of Ra. He had the understanding of the people in different dynasties, different temples. Malar, Der Negrapkamar, Der Nefertari. He was speaking different languages to different folks. The Pharaoh had his decree wrote. It was chipped into stone. God spoke through a stone. I spoke through a throne. I'm from a time that wasn't known. Ra had a certain flow. He had a certain way. No, the Egyptian gods weren't gay. Don't understand what they're trying to portray. There was the Ankh. There was the owl. There was the potter's wheel. The wasp scepter. There was the snake. There was the pyramid temple. What you believe is fake. Don't you understand the chi energy? The different rows and columns. It's like a sail. It's like a flow chart when I'm flowing to the spell, to the beats. Jacob's ladder was even stolen from Egyptian, taken from a Jew. It was stolen from the Meta Neter at least. It was stolen from the temple of Ra. What you think God saw? Why do you think the most beautiful women chose me? Why the traders sold out to money, sold out to wealth, sold out knowing it was bad for their health, bad for their spiritual wealth. But then again, they have none. In the afterlife, they'll join SETI, being on the fucking run.
On the run, cuz. Straight up, young mechanic crib, nigga, crib car.